Learn English through stories. Level up your English, develop your listening skills. For more English videos, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share it to other people. The Talking Parrot and the Burglar. One day a burglar broke into a house, thinking no one was home. As he quietly tiptoed through the living room, he suddenly heard a voice say, "Jesus is watching you." The burglar froze in his tracks, his heart pounding. He looked around, but didn't see anyone. After a moment of silence, he shrugged it off and continued his work. But again, he heard the voice, louder this time. "Jesus is watching you." Terrified, the burglar shined his flashlight around the room and spotted a parrot sitting in a cage in the corner. The burglar let out a sigh of relief and laughed. "Oh, it's just a parrot. What's your name?" he asked the bird. "Moses," the parrot replied. "Moses? What kind of people name a parrot Moses?" The burglar chuckled. The parrot looked at him and said, "The same kind of people who name their Rottweiler Jesus." Just then, a huge Rottweiler came charging out of the shadows, teeth bared, barking fiercely. The burglar barely had time to scream before the dog chased him out of the house.